Good morning, chess players. After last year's success, this year's edition turned out to be much more demanding. Not only I drew 6 games, but I also fell for a fairly easy tactical trap, and in the end, I gave up a few moves before checkmate. If you add it, I lost in total exactly 4 points. A score of 16 points out of 20 almost never allows you to win a group in runs earlier than the fourth. And so it was this time. It was close, but I was eliminated, finishing my group in second place. Traditionally, I will present the most interesting moments from this round to you in the form of series of tasks. I will start from my best game with a probably drawn ending, which I managed to win in the end. Then you will be able to watch a simple but spectacular combination performed by my opponent. I assigned an estimated level to each task in the form of a rating, so you can think of it as a traditional 9 round tournament. So let's focus on the chessboard. Rook g5 looks okay, but after queen h3, bishop b3, there is rook c6 with rook c3 threat. That's why bishop b3 in the beginning is the best. And after rook g6, we would like to give check here, but now it's not possible. So bishop f7, and now check. The only move is to capture this pawn. Now we're exchanging rooks. As you can see, white is faster and we are winning with queen promotion. Rook is a great move because this queen is overruled, so pawn has to capture this rook. And now let's exchange another rook. Rook h6, king h6, and now as you can see, black king is in the middle of the board, so queen e3 controlling diagonal, another check, the only move, king h5, and bishop d1 checkmate. Black is bishop more, but this king is in the trouble. So let's exchange queens. But there is rook g7 with check. And now, of course, it's not possible to capture this rook. And also, it's a great mistake to play king h8 because after rook 7 there is checkmate. So black has to escape to 8, and after queen exchange there is rook a7 with h7 threat, but black has again very good move, bishop b7 crossing this line, and after h7 king g7, black is capturing this pawn and winning. The simplest way to make a draw is rook b5, and after king b5, knight d4 with fork, and we have a draw. In this position, these both knights protects each other, but both are pinned. So in the beginning, let's exchange this one, and now knight d4 attacking queen. Not possible to capture because this knight be lost. That's why queen has to escape d1, and now rook f3, and black is winning this rook endgame. White has full control in the center, so let's use it. 5, knight d5 with knight b6, treat, so black can cross this line, but then e5 with fork, after rook e8 with queen attack, and this pawn is pinned, but knight f6, queen f6, and queen e4. Black can choose between checkmate or knight c, queen c6 capture. Very simple but practical endgame. This bishop is overloaded, that's why black can capture this pawn, and after bishop e4, h2 with queen promotion, and black is winning. Okay, you can start with e3 after bishop e7, check, king f8, and of course it's better, but you can do it faster with pawn sacrifice, and then immediately check. And now look, all black pieces, all knights are pinned. That's why black has to unpin this knight, but now can take it, and now we are winning knight endgame. White is 2 pawn more, but after rook c7, black is winning, because after, for example, d6, there is checkmate. These are all interesting puzzles that appeared during my games. I hope that they help you to improve your chess. I finished third round with 16 points out of possible 20, being second in my group. Goodbye.